Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated. Put this shit out every day. We're here with a weekly analysis. Let's get into it. It is Sunday, February 20th, 2022, and we're here with a live call. So we're going to start with GBPUSD as usual. As you can see on the weekly chart, we got another doji candle. We had an indecisive week overall. We were pushing back and forth. So right now, we don't have an overall bias with GBPUSD, right? Looking at the daily chart, as you can see, we did come back above this 1.35720 key support level. So right now we are holding that level. But due to Friday, we did pretty much engulf that candle. So we might see some downward price action in the beginning of the week due to that bearish engulfing, but overall I do think price wants to push above this 1.36650 resistance where all buyer liquidity is overall, but right now short term it looks like we want to drop a little bit more. Okay, so looking at the hourly chart, we have this range as I talked about, but within the range we got this crown like pattern. As you can see, we got this right shoulder over here. We have this bull trap. So right now we are reading downward momentum. We are approaching that key support level right there at 720. But overall, we do have this neckline right here. So we do want to wait for bear traps to either this level or this level for the buy opportunity up to one of the trend lines. But overall, that 600 high, right? But you do want to just, trade towards one of the levels, play it by day, and move on, right? Like I said, on the 15-minute chart, if I was looking for the short opportunity, I'd want to, look for bull traps above this trend line and this right shoulder for the sell opportunity down, or I'd wait for price to come below one of these levels first, trap bears, and then come back up to trade towards one of the trend lines. Or, if you guys want to go for a bigger target, that's on you, but you just want to play with the levels and play it by day. Keep in mind that we are in a range, so it's better off, going for, little scalps, 20-30 pip opportunities, right, rather than the big move, right? So GBPJPY, we're in this range. As you can see, we did come above this 156-120 resistance level. On the daily chart, we have been just holding above that level, but it does look like we want to push back into value right here. So we are watching this 156.070 key support level where, is a key level, right? So similar to GBPUSD, it looks like we're reading short-term bearish price action in the beginning, but I do think overall we do want to push up. So maybe we want to drop in, trap bears below one of these levels and then look for the buy opportunity back up, right? So coming on the hourly chart, looking at this, we do have a crown pattern just like GBPUSD. This is the right shoulder right here. So we had a little bull trap over there. So right now we are reading downward momentum, for the beginning of the week, right? So looking at the 15-minute chart, we're also watching this key support level where, that's the daily support level, that that 900 level. It's the same level over there. So if price comes through there, traps bears, comes back into value, you could look for the buy opportunity up to, one of these levels listed. But like I said, play it by day, react to the levels listed, right? We are in a range overall, so these are trades you just want to look like, take 20-30 pips, don't get greedy and move on to the next opportunity, right? That is GBPJPY, Euro USD. Everything is kind of reading a similar story. We've had a consolidated market. It's all kind of due to the shit that's going on in Ukraine right now, so that's probably why price action is moving back and forth. But we are going to get a reaction pretty soon. So Euro USD, like I said, we got an indecisive candle within this 800 value, right? On the daily chart, as you can see, we are rejecting that 800 value. That's where all buyer liquidity is overall. But right now, we are reading downward momentum, right? On the hourly chart, like I said, we got this crown-like pattern, similar to all the other ones. We're above that right shoulder, so bullish liquidity is grabbed. Looks like price is just moving down right now. So I'll just wait for price to trap bears below this key support level right here at this 1.12600 key level, right? Because overall, on Euro USD, we've been talking about this level for a couple weeks, but I do see this crown-like pattern. at that 600 key support, the same level that we've been looking at for the past couple months. So if we trap bears below there, we could look for the buy opportunity up to one of the trend lines listed. So I'd wait for price to find support down there. Right now, the sell does look like it's gonna, move down. I wouldn't take the sell unless, we trap bulls above the trend line and the right shoulder. But right now, it looks like price wants to just keep moving down. But I'd wait for bears to become trapped somewhere over there, for the buy opportunity to back up, right? That is EUR USD. Last but not least, gold. Gold, we got that strong impulse wave like I've been talking about these past couple weeks. Said that, the more likely we pushed through, the more likely we're going to push through. So eventually, we pushed through. We came back in. We tested that level and that resistance, so price looks good. So we did take out those highs. We closed doji on Friday. So it does look like we might want to pull back, and retest those highs at 1877 first. Bulls are still strong, but I do think we need to pull back first. So we might push to those overall highs at 1916. But first, I do think we want to come back into this 1877 support, maybe form price action over there before, we could push back up. We could even come back down to this 1843, right? So looking at the hourly chart, similar story. We got a crown-like pattern forming. All buyer liquidity is above this high. So I'll wait for bull traps above there, to short down, to like right here. Right here is a key level. So once we drop back into this 1892 value, we might drop to this level and then look for bear traps or reaction to that level for, future trades, right? So that is gold. And that is pretty much it. If you guys got any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM, Instagram.com/ZERODRAWDREW. This quick little video. I got shit to do today. I would go over it again, but if you need to watch it, just watch it over. If you guys got any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM, Instagram.com/ZERODRAWDREW. Will be more than happy to help you guys out. I'm going to be posting this to our free pip catchers group. So if you want to just check out the charts, it's going to be over there. All my information's in my bio. Also, I'm going to be dropping, if you guys want to know how to actually take these trades rather than, listen to my ideas, I do have a course. The course is $200. If you guys want information to that, it's going to be in the description below too. So other than that, guys, I'm not going to try to sell you guys shit, but if you guys want to know how to actually capitalize on these trades, my course goes over everything. So like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated to drop this content out every other day. Other than that, hope you guys have a great week. If you guys got questions, shoot me that DM, and take care. Let's go.